feel shy, beta. I'm like your mother only.
Means Varun, you are very much Bollywood, no? Huh? You are doing many type of things in the Bollywood, yeah?
Yeah. I have this cap also, like very cool fashion.
Like you, what is Ranveer Kapoor, no? Ranveer.
बहुत सारे हो गए.
Rini. It's very much.
Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Shori, Ranveer Kapoor.
And equally non-talented across the board.
That is Bollywood. That is वो तो first criteria है ना, अंदर आने के लिए वो बाहर एक checking होती है. Talent बाहर छोड़ के जाने का तब आओ ना.
So now we are speaking about the Ranveers. Yeah. Hey, what is your opinion on the male item numbers? Means you also on that tutter and all, no?
Okay, when you say male item numbers, I go back to Shilpa Shetty's item numbers.
This mustache was the same, but what is your thoughts? Means is a society very much progressive now that we are ready to see tutter without having him done tutty all? Time is shaking, means trying to remove.
No, I don't know. Male item number is just like in a society of huge consumerism. Like हम लोग बोर हो गए हैं मैदा की ब्रेड खा के तो वो नाचनी ब्रेड खा रहे हैं. It's just options in a consumerist society. That's it. It's not like we like this thing. This नाचनी ब्रेड fucking 100 रुपए की वो गंदी सी ब्रेड. नॉर्मल ब्रेड 20 रुपए की आती है, वो सिर्फ क्योंकि वो है, वो काली सी दिखती है, कुछ है उसमें अजीब सा है. Nobody knows what it is, but it's just cool to use that. It's the same thing with Ranveer Singh, whatever. It's like बोर हो गए एक चीज से. That's how bisexuality also comes in society, in high society.
No poor people are bisexual.
बोर हो गए यार एक चीज से तो दूसरी करो. वैसा ही अभी बोर हो गए कतरीना कैफ देख के, मतलब वो शीला नाम ही नहीं बचे उसके लिए.
Well, now I know that you have got your first Bollywood break or whatever my Miss Malini found out from the Anurag Kashyap.
Yeah.
And I want to know, is he a gentle lover? Because you have got to have slept with someone. So is it you who is responsible for the very much rift between Kalki Kochalin?
Okay.
Be honest.
Okay, now actually बहुत जल्दी चढ़ जाती है मुझे. तो
Take another sip. It's okay, I'm like your mother only.
So yeah, actually that song, जिया हो बिहार के लाला.
Yes.
Yeah, that I wrote while having sex with Anurag.
Was it a very much awkward affair? Because you were obviously at the bottom because access to pen and paper. Or did he place it on? He placed it on his back and
No, he's very open that way.
He's very open.
Yeah, very open to creative this thing. He let me like go to the writing table in the middle of this thing like every 5 minutes.
To delay the law making.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I would scream lines and he would say, yeah, this is a good one, go write.
But you have seen Dhoom 3, which is a great romance between Aamir Khan and that bike.
No, it's a romance between Aamir Khan and Aamir Khan. The two brothers, no?
Yes, who both commit suicide in the end.
Yeah, did you were you able to find out कौन mentally unstable है दोनों में से?
Yes. Means to me, I was just like, he has taken that character from Ghajini and split it into two. Because one is mentally disabled and the other one is angry all the time.
Yeah.
Which was a combination of it.
मैं बाहर निकला देख के तो मुझे लगा मैं mentally unstable हूँ.
कोई ना कोई तो है, टिकट तो खरीदा है. And now since obviously you are a part of the Bollywood and all, you are having many gossips and stuffs, right? No, so I will for like page 3 parties and stuff, and I hope you don't go dressed like this.
Why?
Miss, how will they put face in the newspaper? Now you have to show some cleavage, some nice legs, wigs and all, no?
Okay, no. Cleavage you have to show as a stand-up comedian after you turn 45, 50, like Shekhar Suman. After that, you know, it's basically after that they start ignoring your face and coming down. This is your face after that.
It's like the next mail item number waiting to happen, huh? So you have gone to the, what is it's, I don't know how you rich people pronounce it. It's like a Cannes? Cannes. See that girl from Delhi, she's like, yes, I go for shopping over there. Spend all my non-profit earnings over there. So you have gone to the Canada? No, it's the
Khan, the different pronunciations depending on which school you went to. So I went to Kendriya Vidyalaya, so I kept switching between Khan and Khans.
And when you were in the Cannes, now people were watching these gangs of Wasepur.
Yeah.
Did they enjoy it?
Yeah, they enjoyed it a lot.
So it's not like those white people who normally like to clap, or brown people, monkeys dancing. So miss, how was reaction? How was?
The reaction was, first of all, they had seen the Bollywood kind of cinema from India before that. So they kept looking for some kind of illogic in the film. They couldn't find it. So that was the disappointed lot. They came out and said, "Ki you lost the most important thing your cinema has."
Which is what?
Which is illogic and stupid dances and, you know, item songs and all. So they were like really disappointed initially. But then we told them that we are trying to be French. So they were impressed, and then they said, yeah, bravo, or whatever the French word for that.
Yes, rendezvous.